can see on the screen hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. Find what public which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. You can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting to local link. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.